Looking for the best Oster knife sets? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Oster knife sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Oster Baldwin 22-piece cutlery set. Pros: durable, stainless steel blades are precision stamped through the entire length of the knife. Includes 19 knives with different blade purposes, a sharpener, scissors, and hardwood knife block. Mirror polished. Thermoplastic handles. Cons: manufacturer states knives are dishwasher safe, but recommends washing by hand. Handles are hollow and water can collect inside. Bottom line: this set comes with a knife for almost any dish you could cook, as well as a sharpener, scissors, and hardwood block. At number 2. Oster Osted 4-piece ceramic blade with sheath cutlery set. Pros: ceramic blades do not rust. Extremely sharp. Ergonomic handles. Includes 6 inches chef knife with sheath, 5 inches utility knife, 3 inches paring knife with sheath, and a peeler. Choice of color. Cons: manufacturer recommends washing by hand. May chip if you use to chop nuts. Bottom line: unlike knives with metal blades, these ceramic blades will not rust. They can chip, however, if you use them to cut hard foods like nuts. At number 1. Oster Evansville 14-piece cutlery set. Pros: comes with 8 inches chef knife, 7 inches santoku knife, 8 inches bread knife, 5 inches utility knife, 3.5 inches paring knife, 6 steak knives, sharpener, kitchen scissors, and rubber wood block. Precision stamped construction. Full tang, stainless steel blades. Rust resistant. Choice of color. Cons: must be washed by hand and dried promptly to prevent rust. Bottom line: lightweight and durable, this whimsically colored set includes 11 knives, a sharpener, scissors, and a knife block. Just be sure to wash them by hand. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.